gazes out her window, staring at a sun that she just can't touch. And anytime he's in the gym, she'll be by his side, but he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying doesn't seem to be working at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. So he